Hi guys, this is Satya here. Welcome back to Healthy Recipes. Today I am sharing a healthy noodles recipe. Here I have used Foxtail millet noodles. It is a healthy alternative to the usual noodles as it is protein rich, high in fiber and calcium. It is absolutely free of any kind of preservatives, artificial flavors, colors and maida. Into a pan, add in 5 cups of water. When the water starts boiling, add in 1 packet of Foxtail millet noodles. Let it boil for 5 minutes till it becomes tender. Next, strain the excess water through a sieve and pour around 2 cups of normal water over the noodles. This is to ensure that the noodles do not stick to each other after it cools down. Into a pan, add in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Add in half a cup of onions finely chopped. Half a cup each of green bell peppers, red bell peppers and beans, and saute for 3 to 5 minutes on high flame. Add in 1/4 cup of carrots and 1 cup of shredded cabbage. 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all well. I have added just 1 teaspoon of salt as the noodles and the sauce that we will be using already contain salt. Now add in 3 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce. Recipe for homemade Schezwan sauce will be linked in the description box below. Now add in the boiled noodles and give it a toss with 2 forks. You can serve these noodles with sauce or chili vinegar. Into a cup, add in 6 chopped green chilies, 3 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of water and mix it all well. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.